Oh, it's quite difficult to find words. We had an amazing day yesterday. We started with a herd of elephants. We have been in the middle of them. Then we saw lions, but they were tired.
You know, I think during the night I have dreams from the safari. And this morning was the elephant in the lodge. Very special moment.
Here is it very beautiful to see also the landscapes. Mm-hmm. We have been next to the crater, and this is just wonderful to see this crater lake with this water. I was touched. It's amazing, and it's a big chance to see all this.
Really, no problem. Yes.
Yeah.
And we have an excellent guide with us, Judith, and there was also security with us. It was really secure.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Also for us.
Every moment I'm feeling well, and yes, it's a good feeling to be here, and also in the lodge here, they are so careful, and yeah, I appreciate a lot.
My highlight, I think, were the lions, the big family. We saw them while they were having dinner, and it was quite interesting to see them, how similar they behave to our cats we have at home, the small ones, because they are from the same family. For me, it's the second time. I have been here about 1 month ago, and it seems pretty obvious that I liked it. That's why I'm back here. And this time I'm gonna stay a little longer.
The incident was, of course, a shock, but being a Ugandan operating on the ground and knowing how our government and security agencies always being responsible in such similar scenarios, I was confident, and I had an opportunity to talk to my clients. They understood me, and I found the Queen Elizabeth National Park during this season of October so amazing. It's a bit of a rainy season, and no one expected the boat to be so incredible and amazing it was. The game drivers experiencing the cats on their feast, and the client stories seeing the elephants in their big numbers. This is so beautiful, and the world should always know that Uganda is a country of many different seasons. Most amazing was how Uganda Wildlife Authority is responding to their roles. We were welcomed so well. I talked to most of the game rangers around here, and the way they accompanied us, of course, during the game drives, during the boat, and it was amazing. The way they took care, of course, being responsible in their security areas, clients feeling so safe, myself being so safe. We are now heading to Ishasha. The feeling is the same. It's incredible.
We have done also in the afternoon boat trip, and it was so wonderful. There have been so much birds, and the most impressional moment was for me when we finished. We have been at the end of the tour, and there was bird on bird. It looks like a refuge. It was so great. I have never seen something like that.
Für mich war der Höhepunkt eigentlich nicht ein einziger, sondern der ganze Tag. Und mir haben vor allem die Löwen gut gefallen, die Elefanten, Hippos, insbesondere dieser Kanal, wie heißt der? Dieser Kanal dort, wo wir mit dem Schiff durchgefahren sind, der war wirklich 1A. Wir haben alles gesehen. Krokodile, Elefanten, Hippos und viele, viele Vögel, kleine und große.
Yes, for me it was very good. I feel relaxed, and there was a ranger with us, and we have had a lot of explanations. That was so good, and I felt very safe.
I'm a big fan of birds, so that's probably one of the highlights. We saw at least 40 species of birds, and the most exciting for me was the fish eagle, and one of the highlights was the hippo. We saw baby hippo. That was really cool. But to be honest, I didn't read the news, and I felt completely safe the whole time. There was never a moment I felt not safe.
It was a bit terrifying, but after the incident, life became normal. Guests are coming in. My lodge is just half a kilometer to Queen Elizabeth, and it's on the roadside. I see many vehicles of tourists going for the game drives in the morning and in the evening. And even right now as we are talking, I have guests who have just checked in at my lodge at Embogo Lodges.